When I get chills at night, I feel it deep inside. Without you, yeah. Know how to satisfy, keeping the tempo right. Without you, yeah. Pictures in my mind on replay. I'm gonna touch the pain away. I know how to scream my own name. Scream.
Hey guys, welcome. If you're new here, thanks so much for clicking on the video. Welcome to my channel. Leave me a comment down below introducing yourself so that I can meet you and welcome you to the Edgy fam. If you are not new here, thanks so much for clicking on the video. I really do appreciate the support. And anyone who's watching this, welcome back to another installment of Drugstore Poop or High-End Dupe. I know that's a super cheesy name, but I don't know. It just, it has like a little like ring to it. And I really wanted to like create a playlist with, you know, like some kind of really cool title. And so welcome back. Obviously you guys are interested because I found a dupe for one of the most sought after contour palettes on the market. And ironically enough, I literally just happened to like stumble across this drugstore contour palette. I had no idea that contour palettes from the drugstore even existed. I mean, there's NYX and a few other brands, I think, but this particular one, I was literally just like at Rite Aid one day getting some prescriptions, and I was walking through the makeup aisle and I happened to stumble across this contour palette, and I was like, oh my gosh, that would be a perfect dupe for the Anastasia contour kit. And I was like, dang, I have to review this on my channel because it's possibly the best dupe ever for a contour palette. So, alright, so we're just gonna jump right in, you guys. If you're interested in seeing this contour palette I found at Rite Aid and whether or not it's a dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills, just keep watching. Okay, so I am first going to show you the contour palette I found at Rite Aid, and then I'm going to show you it side by side with the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, contour palette, and let you guys be the judges. So, I've never heard of this brand before, ever. So, I was like, who is this? Like, I've never heard of them. This brand is called Bonita Cosmetics. It's actually, I believe, a UK brand. I asked the ladies at Rite Aid if this was going to be like there for a long time. Now, I ironically got mine on clearance. It was only $2.94. That's another reason why I picked up two, but I'm looking right now to see if you can find it anywhere else. According to the internet, you can get this at Walmart for $6.89. I mean, Amazon has it. Let's see. Oh, Bonita Colors. There's an actual website, Bonita Colors. eBay has it. But I just happened to find mine at Rite Aid, and it was originally like $8 or something, but I found it on clearance for $2.94. So let me show you guys how similar it is to the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette. So the back here comes with, you know, the face, and you've got your highlight shades and your contour shades. And let me show you guys the side of the Anastasia Beverly Hills. The colors are so similar, you guys. Like literally so similar. Okay, so I'll show you the Bonita one first, and then I will go ahead and show you the Anastasia Beverly Hills one. Now this one I like because it's made of really hard plastic, and I think that that's really awesome. Okay, so I have already tried this out, but I am telling you guys, it works. Okay, so it comes with a huge mirror, which is something that the Anastasia Beverly Hills one doesn't have. And then these are the shades, and they are so creamy. So it actually they have shade names. This one right here is called Damsel, and it's a highlight shade. The next one to it is called Electra. It's like a banana color. And then you have Anna, I think. So these are the highlight shades. Of course, you're not going to be able to really see them. But, you know, They're great setting under the eyes. I mean, they're just really, really good highlight shades. I mean, I love them. I've never had a problem with them. Okay, so the bronzer shades, you have one cool tone and two warm tones, which I really like. You have Cruella, which is this one right here. And then you have Gothel, which is the middle one here. And then you have Mystique, which is kind of this darker shade here. Those are the contour shades. And I am loving this palette, you guys. It is such a good palette. Now somehow I have misplaced my light contour powder kit from Anastasia. I just have the medium to tan one with me, but I'm still going to show you how dupeable it is. And then this for sure is going to be a dupe for the light one. I will go ahead and insert some pictures of the Anastasia Beverly Hills light, you know, or fair contour palette above this one as I hold it. And you guys can see even in the order that it's in, I'll just place the picture here, you can see that it's got a lot of similar colors. I mean, the banana shade. And then this one, even still, the medium to tan is still a pretty close. I mean, you know, you don't have the banana shade in the medium to tan, and of course you have a different highlight shade, but I mean, you guys, if you have the fair one, I think this only comes in one shade. It is, at least this is the only one that I can find, whereas you have the Anastasia one that comes in, you know, the light, or the light to fair, and medium to tan, tan to deep or whatnot. It has a lot of different ones, but even still, there's a lot of different options for women of darker skin tones. But I just kind of wanted to show you guys that you do have, even in the medium to tan, you do have some shades that are pretty similar to this palette. These top three are from the Anastasia kit, and you can see how similar they are to the colors in the Bonita contour kit. The Bonita one is a little bit lighter, obviously. I mean, it's drugstore, but they're very similar in tone, like an undertone. So I would say that if you can't find this at TJ Maxx, I know it's been all over the internet or all over YouTube that it's at TJ Maxx. If you cannot find this, or you don't want to spend, you know, a pretty penny on this guy, or you don't already have it, I would definitely consider picking one, because I absolutely love the mirror. I think that it's an awesome addition to it, but also because the colors are so blendable. I don't put anything on my channel that I don't advocate for. I don't just tell you guys, oh yeah, this is a dupe, when it's really not. I don't do it for views or anything. I do it because I generally am genuine, and I want to share deals with you guys, because I think it's so important as a beauty community to find things that are good but less expensive. And this being $2.94 at Rite Aid, you really can't beat that. Even if you didn't like all of the shades, $2.94 is like, I don't know, 25 cents a shade or something like that. A little more than that, like 50 cents a shade. But even still, I feel like if you can find this, pick it up, because it's a great deal. And I mean, it's definitely going to be the closest dupe I've ever found for the Anastasia Beverly Hills one. I don't think it's a dupe for Kat Von D, but it's pretty damn close to the Anastasia Beverly Hills. So I would say that if you guys could find this, I would definitely pick it up. It's going to be something that is really, really close to this one. If you love the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit, I say go out and try to find this at your nearest Rite Aid, Walmart, eBay, Amazon, because it is going to be a super, super close dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills. I wish I had the light one to show you, but again, I will have inserted pictures in here to show you guys how similar it is. I mean, this is so sturdy. It has the mirror. I highly recommend it. With the Anastasia one, you know, you don't get the mirror. Yeah, they're refillable pans, and that's a great, you know, part of the palette. But I definitely recommend you guys, if you could go pick this up. So would I say, is this drugstore poop or high-end dupe? I would definitely say that this is a high-end dupe. Thank you so much for watching, guys. That is all I have. I really do appreciate it. If you have not already, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to do so down below. Let me know in the comments if you are interested in seeing more of these videos. I would really like to find out what products you're looking for, if you want me to find another dupeable high-end product. If there's a product that you have like no idea if it's a dupe or not, put it in the comments and I will research it. I will do my very best homework and I will tell you whether or not that is a high-end dupe or a drugstore poop. And I would really appreciate it if you guys gave this video a thumbs up and clicked on the other video that I did. I will link that here in the cards. I really do appreciate it. I'll see you on my next video. Bye!